Today I'm going to show you how to switch smart scenes in Riverside. Right over here we have our video clip and we want to change scenes depending on what is going on in the video, who's speaking perhaps. So on the top right you're going to click on AI tools, you're going to come all the way down over here and you're going to click on this little drop down arrow and you'll see the smart layouts. This is under the look amazing heading. You'll see now the little auto switch camera views. Go over to the rhythm. Now, if you hold your cursor over the information icon, you'll see that high rhythms equal switch scenes often. It also stays briefly on alternate scenes. So then your slow rhythms will be your switching of scenes less often, and it'll also stay longer on alternative scenes. So depending on how you would like to set this would be obviously very soft, and this will be very hard, so this will be faster. You can also see over here the switch to, you'll select the alternative shot for the sequence. So here, just click on this, go ahead, choose all speakers. So this will be in a grid view. Don't switch, so this will focus on the speaker at all times. And then this other speaker option will be a full screen view of the other speaker, and then mixed views. This will literally just mix all three of those up completely. You can also see the video frame over here. So if you fill it, it crops the video to fill the frame. And if you select the fit option, it fits the whole video into the frame. So it depends on what exactly that you'd like to do there. And once you're done with all of these settings, you can then review your video, watch it, see how it looks, and then make changes accordingly.